Hello, my friend. Today I want to show you how to draw a 3D stitch in AutoCAD. Now we see this. This is a 1x1 rib. We can move it. Take a look at its three-dimensional effect. It was front side, now it's the back side. You can also rotate it. Or there is an angle. Let's take a look like this. Okay, let's rotate it back. Now we draw it from beginning. Let's create a new canvas. Then draw in it. First choose the linear tool. Set the first point first. Then 4, 0. Draw the second point. The second point is, we use the position of the coordinates to draw. First of all, at, then 5, 4. Then set the third line. Is negative 8 minus 10. Then there is the fourth line. 5, 4. Then there is the fifth line. Is 4, 0. Then confirm this line. Then let's copy one. We copy one for the back side. Find a place to put it first. Okay, put it here. Next we need to change some setting. Change the view. Then pull this line up. Pull this line down. Move in 3D. Choose it, confirm. The moving distance is 4. Then this one. Release it first. Pull it down. The moving distance is 4. Then convert to top view. Then delete the unwanted lines. Like these two don't need, delete. Now use the curve to smooth this line. Start from the beginning. The first, the second, the third. The fourth and the fifth. The sixth is good. Make sure. This is the same principle. The first, the second, the third, the fourth. The fifth and sixth. Confirm. Now delete the extra lines. Hey, extra line. Now put the extra line, this line, this line, this line. Okay, delete. After deleting it, let's copy it. Hey, this is wrong for us now. Choose symmetrical. The first one. Then the second one. Confirm. Double-click to close. Ctrl-Go back. Double-click to merge. Merge these two lines to it. Confirm. Now he has a line. Like here, there are still two lines. Let's merge it for him too. Confirm. It's a line now. This is also a line. Next we need to draw a circle. is 2.4. Draw another point 4. Then use the sweep to point the first circle. Confirm. Then click this path again. Path. This is done. Click. Confirm and click on it. Then this one is front stitch. This is the back stitch. We move this back stiff. Move a little to the left. Use the move command. Pull it here. Confirm. Well, let's change its color. Change it to red. Color change to red. Hey! Why didn't it change? Good. Changed. Turn off. Oh! Then let's copy it. Copy. Come from this point. Copy another one. Good. Then in the horizontal direction, we also copy it. Then just a click up. The distance up is 11. Then 22.1. A 33.1. 44.1. Crooked. It's not good. Well, that's all. So much is okay. We put pull this one up again. Okay, 1122. Oh. 33. Okay. Change above one color. Change it to blue. It's stuck. Blue. Good. Okay, it's done now. Now it's a 1x1 rib. We will draw it. This is the stitch 3-dimensional. You can take a look. Different perspectives. Flip him. Like this. Well, it's like this. Okay, thank you all for watching.